the outside borders of the asphalt jungle. From its original inhabitants like the seagull to a much younger species known as the Homo sapiens. Like ants, they move chaotically across the urban plains, and yet its chaos is somehow structured. This is a remarkable story of the average man. Morning has broken, and the normal everyday men and women are on their way to work. We find our subject in a small closed space environment, where it will remain most of its life. Its environment is a hostile one, and therefore he must always keep an eye out for new competitors. Unlike most species, the average man has a nervous tendency of claiming control over its biological clock. It is the only species of the natural world that might reject signs of hunger, thirst, or any other elements for basic survival. Soon this struggle will force the creature into a choice: give in to its internal needs or stay focused on its tasks. One will lead to life, the other to destruction. Time is of the essence, as leaving its natural surrounding might lead to another to take its place. Only one thing can break its strong concentration: the smell of new competitors lurking to claim new territory. The creature is weak, and it must be on guard for competitors lurking in these holes. He quickly grabs what he came for, and with risk of losing his life, he makes his way back to its small closed environment. Just in time. And so it once again takes its place in the natural cycle of the concrete jungle, unaware of others, but part of a larger system, a system of life.